Shunyata Research is proud to be awarded Product of the Year in this beautiful January 2023 issue of The Absolute Sound. In June of 2022, Grant Samuelsen and myself, Lena Davidson, flew down to Albuquerque, New Mexico to spend a day with Robert Harley in his home installing the ALTAIRA Grounding System. In addition to the looming Wilson Audio Chronosonic XVX speakers, there were 2 racks at opposite ends of the room. After load-in, we prepped for installation by upgrading the polymer footers on the bottom of the ALTAIRA to stainless steel and by testing for continuity across all components. Our primary focus for grounding on the rear rack was the WADAX reference setup, the Atlantis server and DAC, each with their own power supply. In addition, the CH Precision line stage and power amplifiers allowed us to install a dual mono application of ALTAIRA using 2 unique hubs to capture the ground off of the left and right channels respectively. And what a pleasure after a long day of install to sit with Robert Harley and listen to this astonishing system. After 5 long months, we were finally able to read Robert Harley's impressions of the ALTAIRA grounding system in this beautiful article in The Absolute Sound. To quote, "I was surprised by how the ALTAIRA system removed a layer of glare and grain overlaying timber, making textures more liquid through the upper mid-range and treble." The review endorses grounding as a concept, as well as offering a peek at some of the architectures Shunyata has researched in the development of the ALTAIRA, more of which is available at our website. To put a fine point on Robert Harley's impressions, quote, "It has become an essential component of my reference system, and I suspect that if you audition one, you will find it equally indispensable." What an honor and thrill to be awarded Product of the Year for ALTAIRA Grounding System by Robert Harley and The Absolute Sound. Thank you for your hospitality and thoughtful coverage.